Hello children, myself Shubha Patel Kulkarni. I am going to start chapter 7 coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry means here we are measuring by using the coordinates. See now, you think one of the point is there in the plane P, let that point be P. And another one point Q, it may be Q. So we have to identify which is the coordinate of P point. So we don't know actually. Now generally we'll take it, let the P coordinates be x1, y1. You know the distance from here to here it is x1, the value of x-axis. From here to here it is y1. In the same way x2, y2. So if these 2 points are there in the plane, let the coordinate of point P be x1, y1 and the Q coordinate be x2, y2 will consider. How we can find out the distance between these 2 points means by using the distance formula. So the distance formula is D. D means distance between the point P and Q. So the distance between the point P and Q is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here x2 means this value, x1 means this value, y1 means this value, y coordinate, and y2 means y coordinate of the Q point. So this is the formula we can use it to find out the distance between any 2 points. If we have to find out distance from the origin to any point P, so we have to find out the distance from the origin to any point P. Let the P coordinate be xy, and we know the origin coordinates always 0, 0. At the origin, the coordinates of x-axis and the y-axis are 0, 0. So if I substitute in this formula also, we are going to get this one. See now, x2 value x there, y2 value is y, and x1, y1 are 0, 0 because it is from the origin. So if they'll ask for you to find out the distance from the origin, you have to consider the x1, y1 values are 0, 0. So the same formula, it simplifies like this way. Distance between from the origin to any point, it will be x square plus y square because only we will be knowing the P coordinates. So x square plus y square, the distance between from the origin to the any point, formula is square root of x square plus y square it becomes. By using these two formulas, we are going to solve now this next exercise, children. Write down. I am going to solve exercise 7.1. Exercise 7.1. The first main heading is find the distance between the following pairs of points. Pairs of points. This is the heading actually. We have to find out the distance between the given 2 points. Okay, children? So now the first question in this heading is I have to find out the distance between first one, the coordinates 2, 3, the second point coordinates are 4, 1. So you think this is the P point and the Q point. So what is the distance formula to find out distance between these 2 points? Is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula actually. So you have to write it. It becomes very easy for you. Write it here x1, y1, x2, y2. It becomes easy for you to substitute in this formula. D is equal to, in place of x2 you substitute the value of x2 as 4, x1 value 2 square, y2 value is 1, y1 value is 3. Then you simplify now. So the distance between these 2 points D is equal to 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 whole square is 2 square plus 1 minus 3 whole square is minus 2 whole square. So the distance between these 2 points, it becomes 2 square is 4 minus 2 square is also 4, because minus 2 into minus 2 it becomes 4. So the distance between these 2 points is square root of 8. So you can simplify further in this manner also. 4 into 2. The distance between these 2 point measurement is 2 root units. Okay children? Write down. This much you write it. The second one. Children, write down. Second question, the same heading. Coordinates of point P you think minus pi 7 and the coordinates of the point Q are minus 1 3. So then you give the value. This is x1, y1 value. This is x2, y2 value. If you write now, it becomes easy for you to substitute in the formula. So now, what is the formula to find out the distance between these 2 points? Let this point be P and let this point be Q, children. So then you write the distance formula. What is the formula to find out distance between any 2 points? That is D is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So substitute the value now. That is x2 means minus 1 the value of x2. Minus is there in the formula, as it is you write it, and the x1 value is also once again the minus 5. So minus 5. So change the bracket, then whenever one bracket it comes, see 2 sign, if it comes together you write the bracket, small bracket, and the bracket you change, big bracket I have written now. Next, y2 value is 3 minus y1 value is 7 whole square. Here also power 2. In the formula it is there, so you have to write it power 2. Then you simplify. D is equal to square root of minus 1 minus into minus plus 5 whole square plus 3 minus 7 is minus 4 whole square. If you simplify this, it becomes 5 minus 1 is 4 square plus minus 4 square is 16. The D's value it becomes then 4 square is also 16 and plus 16. 16 plus 16 is how much? 32 square root of. So you can write it 2 into 16 also. Then the value of square root of 16 we know. So 4, it comes out of the symbol. 4 root 2 unit is the distance between these 2 points. 4 root 2. Square root of 16 is 4, and as it is, because 2 is not a perfect square number. Okay, we have got the distance between these 2 points by using distance formula. Okay children, write down. Third question in this first main. Third question is I have to find out the distance between 2 points, the coordinates of the first point AB, the second point minus A and minus B. Let this point PP you consider and this point PQ you consider, and this is be x1, the coordinate of first point, x-axis value is x1, y1 value B, x2, y2. These are the 2 coordinates of those 2 points. Substituting the distance formula is equal to D is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. You have to remember the formula. So in maths, no, if you understand the concept, after understanding the concept, you should know the formula. You have to write and you have to practice formula. The distance formula is D is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then you substitute the values. D is equal to square root of x2 means minus a minus x1 is a whole square. Y2 value is minus b. The y1 value is b. Substitute and simplify now. The D is equal to minus a is minus 2a whole square. Minus b is minus 2b whole square. Then after simplification it becomes minus sign if any terms if it multiply double time it becomes positive. Minus 2a it becomes plus 4a square. This is also 4b square. You can take out 4 as common here. 4 if you take out as a common, then it becomes a square plus b square. You can write it in the bracket. Square root of 4 I know, so it becomes then 2 into square root of a square plus b square is the distance between these 2 points because they give the coordinates in the form of variable. We will get the distance between these 2 points also. It is in the form of a and b. But a square plus b square, it is not a perfect square number, so we cannot simplify further. This is the answer. This is the distance between these 2 points, children. Okay, write down. Children, second main question, they gave find the distance between the points, distance between the points points 0, 0, the coordinate 0, 0 and the coordinates 36, 15. And can you now find the distance? Can you now find the distance between the two towns, distance between the two towns, A and B. Two towns names are A and B, discussed in section 7.2. Discussed in section 7.2. See, now I can find out the distance between these two because points, find the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 15 means it is origin. So I can use directly the formula D is equal to square root of x square plus y square. So D is equal to 36 whole square plus 15 whole square. So if you multiply double time 36, you are going to get 1296 plus 15 square is 225. So if you simplify, if you add these two, you are going to get 1521 if you add these two, and the square root of this you can find out by division method or factorization method also. You are going to get square root of 1521 is 39 units. So I got the distance between these two origin and this point. And next, can you now find the distance between the two towns A and B discussed in section 7.2. In 7.2 they gave town B is located like this way, they gave diagram. In section 7.2 they gave town B is located 36 km kilometer east. So from this origin, east means this side it becomes. So from here to here 36 kilometer east and 15 kilometer north. So 15 kilometers from the north means from here to here it is 36 kilometer. Then from here to here it is 15 kilometer you think. And the B town is here. So then the coordinate of this point it becomes then 36, 15. The A town is there from the town A. Here at the origin town A is there. And the town B is located 36 kilometer to the east to the A town, and from there 15 kilometer north. So town B is there for town A. So the B coordinate it becomes 36 and 15, and the A town coordinate becomes 0, 0. Origin it becomes. So if you simplify it by using the same formula, so distance between these two towns is equal to x square plus y square only now. So the distance same value. So you can substitute, you can find out the answer. Same answer you are going to get. What is the distance between these two towns, children? Okay. So distance is equal to 1296. 36 if you multiply double time, and the 15 if you multiply 225. And D you are going to get after adding these two, square root of 1521. The square root of this value is 39 units. So how to find out the square root for this 1521 means, if you not get idea, you can find out the prime factors and you can find out. Last one is then means I'll check now by 3 table it goes about. 3 5s are, it will not go 2, it will not go 0. 21 it remains, 3 7s are 21, then 3 1s are 20 it remains, then 3 6s are 18, 3 9s are, yeah, so 13 13s are 169 we know, 13 3s are, so we will come to know, so 2 are there, out of these 2 1 I will take it and I write it to the square root of 1521 as 13 into 3, square root of 1521, I can take it as 31, 13 and 1, 3. So 13 3s are 39 units we'll get it. So we can find out square root like this way for this 1521. So the distance between these two towns also I got the same value, that is 39 units. Okay children. So the distance between these two coordinate is also same, and the distance between those two towns is also same children. Okay children, write down.